Take a yellow sip, cause I'm tryna have a better day. Ain't gonna get delirious, just sit here by the bay. Might take a bigger sip, starting to feel okay. I think the party's getting serious, so all the other things can wait. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Done with my second drink, getting a little tipsy. Ain't gonna get delirious, so party hard till I'm 60. All the other things can wait. All the other things can wait. Well, I took too many sips. I mean, what exactly is too many? As long as I'm walking, I'm okay. I'll feel better anyway. Forgot about my problems, but how am I gonna get home? I spend all my money and drinks and now I roam. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. All the other things can wait. Oh, all the other things can wait. about your solo flight? Hey, what you thinking when you think it? You miss the whole point of you. You can choose not to bruise your beautiful muse. Look, all those feelings, they ain't real. It's all in your head. And if you're into healing, try to feel it without going mad. Without going mad. Without going mad. You can turn the switch on any day. Let's assume life is a game we play. No one's scared of falling when they sway. You can turn the switch on any day. Throw all the self-judgment out of the balcony. So what if he's got that and she's got that and you got no property? What does it even mean? They just lean, they wanna be seen. I'm